This is the primary stadium, the only stadium. We have no practice fields. The type of grass we have is Celebration Bermuda grass. It's pretty hot and humid down here, so this grass can definitely take the heat. I like the fact that you can pretty much get aggressive with it when it comes to terms of, pretty much getting it ready. It is a very aggressive grass. It can take the abuse, so we do a lot of top dressing and verticutting, aerifying, things like that. When you cut it lower, it looks better. We love tight canopies, especially with Bermuda, because it's easier to interlock. You don't rip out as much grass and stuff like that. And it's kind of like a smoother transition. Here, fans love patterns. You can't stripe it up as good as you can, like say a ryegrass, which we oversee with. But if it's green and it looks great, like fans typically love it. That's what they want to see. It can take that aggressiveness. It can be down in like southern states like we have, Florida, things like that. This is like the best place to have it.